Yeah, good morning all of you. So as I said, in this tutorial we will be learning about variables, the JavaScript variables. So what are the different kind of variables in JavaScript? So there is a null variable, there are string variables, character variables, integer variables. So there are a lot of kind of variables. So we'll be studying variables in JavaScript, right? So how to define a variable? So first of all, to clarify, so what are variables? Variables are the blocks of memory that are assigned to a certain value, right? The addresses in the memory that are assigned to value that you are giving. For example, in if you know, in C++, you define a variable as int a equals to 10 or char j equals to j, right? So this kind of assigning you do in C++ and Java if you are from that background, and if you are from the Python background, you just do char equals to 10 or something like that, right? So in the JavaScript, how are variables defined? So we define the variables by the var keyword. By using the var keyword, we define the variables in JavaScript. So we use var number equals to whatever its value is. Number, whatever its value is, let's say 10. So you don't explicitly have to define the variable type. You just have to type var and the name of the variable and what it contains, right? It can be integer, it can be a string, it can be a literal, it can be a character, it can be a null value, so it can be anything, but you don't have to define it. So you just have to say var as in and the name of the variable and the value, and this is how you assign a variable in JavaScript, right? So you can say var str equals to this is a string, right? So let's do it. So we'll see how we use these variables, right? So you can just say alert string. Okay, just wait for a second it to instead do console.log string. Fine. So now you can just see in the control, you do control shift I, go to the console, get attribute of null. Right. So we'll run the code. Here it is, and you see a alert saying this is a string, which is the value of the variable str, right? So this was all about the variables. Thank you, and we'll learn about the functions in the next class. Thank you.